Luminae on deck 3 is a restaurant just for suite class. On sea days it serves breakfast, lunch and dinner. On port days it's closed for lunch. No reservations needed, just walk in and hostess Clarence or maitre d' Martin will find you a table.
Thank you very much.
Morning.
Thank you.
Been here a long time. I haven't
The atmosphere is elegant but comfortable,
Breakfast is important.
and the staff are amazing. They give service with a personal touch. That's Sari pouring water. She also organises coffee and pastry.
Thank you.
Fauzi is in a class of his own. He's got an amazing memory. He gets to know your likes and dislikes, and he'll make suggestions. I'm sure he gets the kitchen to add extra goodies to some dishes. Not just for us, but for all his people. And every week or so, he has to do it all again for a new batch of cruises. For dinner, the dress code is smart casual. That means no shorts. That's true for most of the Solstice restaurants. But on chic nights, you can flossy up as much as you want. As well as the Luminae menu, you can order from the main dining room or blue menus. The Celebrity app is great for checking those out. The World Chocolate Orb is a signature Luminae dessert, positively decadent. To begin with, it's a large chocolate sphere. When flaming rum is poured over it, the chocolate slowly melts to reveal Dulce de leche gelato and spiced mango inside. Beautiful.
Thank you. Thank you.
Right.